As you can see, Eastern European man, Lithuanian man, struggling to learn how to peel cassava. I mean, it's not the rocket science, to be frank. This is how we do it. Take a knife, you fish cassava, then you get this little tool. How can I call this? Grinder?
Scraper.
Scraper. A little scraper.
Scraper, peeler.
This part is sharp. And yeah, you just keep on scraping, you just keep on grinding. You know, it feels a bit like a potato harvest season in Lithuania. Okay, we don't peel anything, but you know, the vibe is similar. You know.